When the conquistadores, Columbus, da Gama, Balboa went out, they denied the civilizations of the Aboriginal people, all of the countries they came to, coming to America and say, I discovered you. And the people lived here for 10,000 years. People have civilization, have language, have everything. And they probably saved your life and gave you something to drink and some oranges for your scurvy. And then you say, I discovered you, and you give them the disease that you brought on the boat. But the worst thing is to say you discovered the place, that you will deny the civilization of the people living in that area.